I'm sure you've heard the news. Earthquakes are powerful and unpredictable, but did you know ancient China had a way to detect them? So what's the scoop? Around 132 AD, a genius named Zhang Heng invented the world's first seismograph. Imagine a big bronze pot with 8 dragons on the sides, each holding a ball in its mouth. When an earthquake struck, one of the dragons would drop its ball into a toad's mouth below, pointing to the direction of the quake. This wasn't just a cool trick. It could detect earthquakes from hundreds of miles away, giving people a heads up to brace themselves. And get this, it worked without any electricity or modern tech. Talk about ancient engineering marvels. So, next time you hear about seismographs, remember Zhang Heng and his amazing invention that shook up the world of earthquake detection. Ancient China was truly ahead of its time. Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing history facts. See you in the next adventure.